everyone, I'm Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. I want to just introduce you to a couple of things that I keep around my kitchen to help me be food safe as well as help me cook a little bit easier and clean up a little bit easier. I love to use my crock pot, but I don't always like cleaning it. The food, which cooks in there for longer periods of time, can get kind of stuck on the inside of your crock pot, making it more difficult to clean. So I purchased these slow cook liners. To me, they're great. You just kind of like your oven bags you use maybe to cook a turkey or something in your pan. You just stick these in your crock pot, put the food and all of the ingredients in there, cook it as the instructions for the recipe say, and then you are able to, when you're done and have eaten all the food, you can just pick up the bag, take it out, and throw it away. And it makes so much easier. Sometimes the bag will rip a little bit here or there depending on what kind of utensils you're using to serve or to cut up the meat or whatever. But even then, it only leaks a little bit of juice inside, so it's kind of a simple cleanup. It's no scrubbing really involved. I also try to make sure that I have some aluminum foil on hand, especially if I'm going to roast things. I like cooking pork tenderloins or roasting veggies, so I will put some aluminum foil down on my cookie sheet, drizzle olive oil along with whatever food I'm going to use. It could be I'm going to roast broccolis or some red potatoes, or even if I'm going to cook a pork tenderloin that I've already marinated, the juices, the sauces, whatever, will stick to the aluminum foil, so you can serve your food, grab the aluminum foil, throw it away, and simply easily clean your pan. I also make sure that I have a Pyrex dish available. I will use these to, instead of making one big lasagna dish, I will put them in two 8x8 pans, cook those. I like using the glass ones that are also freezer safe. So after I have cooked it, or if I don't want to cook it, I just want to go ahead and freeze it, I can put a little Pyrex lid on it and it is freezer safe. And in a week or two or whatever, I can pull out my dish, stick it straight into the oven to reheat or to cook, and I'm good to go. And then last but not least, I always have a food thermometer of some kind to make sure that I can test the meat that I'm cooking. I want to make sure that my meat is cooked to the proper minimum internal temperature. We can give you information about what you need to cook your meat to, but this helps make sure that my food is fully cooked so that my family and I stay food safe. Again, these are just a couple of helpful things that I like keeping around the house to make it easier to cook and clean. This has been Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in.